Hey guys, it's Jeff here, and I've got some T500 updates for you. So I've got this one completely disassembled, and we'll go into that in just a second. And I've got my Voron build. And what I've heard about the Voron build from everybody is the complexity is scaring a lot of people away when it comes to the firmware installs and everything. So what I'm doing is I'm going to simplify the Voron build and eliminate the extra boards and the firmware updates that are needing to be done. So the idea will be a Voron using the stock breakout board that comes with the T500. I am waiting on my ABS parts that allow me to build them. So it is going to be a week or two probably before I get them, because that's the way it goes. But once I do that, I will get a GitHub set up with all the configuration files that you'll need to add to your machines, all the prints that you need to do, and then the wiring diagram. It should mostly be just cutting wires and soldering them, or getting new crimp-on connectors to let them work. So there's a lot of twists and turns to that, but it's going to be overall simple, because all you're going to do is wire everything up, make a couple changes. It's still going to require the bed to be raised. You still need that because it's still going to sit in the same way. But it's mostly about your configuration changes on your printer, just your CFG files your printer got configured, and adding a couple new ones, and moving things around a little bit. So I just want to let everybody know that I am in the works, and I know a lot of people like the Vorons, and hopefully this will simplify it for everybody and make it much easier to do. So, all right, peace.